Namaskar everyone. Today we'll study link implementation of queue, and generally queue can be implemented in two ways: array implementation and implementation of queue using dynamic memory, that is pointer, that is called as link implementation of queue. So in a linked queue, each node of the queue consists of two parts like a linked list. One is info part which contains the actual data, another is your next or the link part which contains the address of the next node. Okay, and we have to remember two things. Addition of element can only occur at a rear and deletion from the front. Means in this queue you can see, if we this is a link implementation queue. If we want to add new element, then this can only be possible at this side. This is the rear side of a link queue, and if we want to delete, then this can be possible only from the front. Hope you understood. So always when we want to perform any addition, so we have to make the new node which we want to add, that next part as null, because this is the rear part. And when a new node will be added at the rear, then it next part must be null, because we know in a link list the link field of the last node is always null. So when we want to add an element in a rear part, it next part must be null. Hope you can understand from this example. Suppose insert, void insert, we want to add a new element, and we have taken an argument in this function, insert function. So we have created a linked list. Okay, this is a C code for addition of a new node. P is the new node. Okay, or P is the new node, or P is the new item which we want to add in a link queue. Okay, so first we have to allocate memory for the P, So addition of element. Suppose here you see this is a link implementation of queue, and we want to add a element. Okay, so this is the P, this is the new node, and we are allocating memory for the P. And if we want to add, then definitely its next part must be null. This is the next part, this is the info part, because the addition can possible only at the rear part. So when it will be added in this linked list, before it was 2 element, when it will be added, then there will be 3 element, and its next part must be null, because the link field of the last node always contain null pointer. So we have to assign any value. This is the info, and always the new node which you want to add, its next part must be null. So here first we are assigning the value, item to the info part of this node. Suppose I have inserted here 10. Then P next equal to null, means its next part must be null. If front equal to null, front equal to null, that means if there is no existence of the node previously, then front equal to rear equal to P. That means this start external pointer will always point to this node only, because there is no existence of other node. But if there are some other node exist, means if condition is false, then else part will be executed. So what will happen? Then the rear next will be P. That means this is now the rear, it next address part means this is null, and it next address part will contain the address of this. Suppose this is address is 600. Then 600 will come to this. So then rear equal to P. Then insertion is successful. Okay. Now you see, suppose deletion. Deletion always occurs from the front. So if front equal to null, queue is empty. Okay. If front equal to null, if there is nothing, then queue is empty. Okay. Then we have to leave. Otherwise, always we have to perform the deletion operation from the front. Okay. So let it be temp equal to front. That means now temp contain the address of this first node. Okay, then front equal to front next. That means now front is not here, front is here. Means we are increasing the pointer address and we are ignoring this. Okay, then the deleted information is temp info. It is now we are free this. Okay, now how to display. Okay, and generally in display, first we have to check whether the list is empty or not. Means the queue is empty or not. If front equal null, queue is empty, nothing to display. Otherwise, we have to display until the null, the temp next, temp equal to stat. First temp equal to stat, because it is as in a linked list, we can traverse in one direction, in forward direction. First the temp will contain the address of the first node. Temp will contain the address of the first node. Now temp equal to stat. This is the temp, and it contains the address of the first node. And we have to increase the pointer address until the next part. Temp next not equal to null. Temp next until temp next not equal to null. Okay, and we have to display the information of the temp. Okay, and we have to, here we are increasing the pointer address. Okay, and after that what, when the loop is finished, when this null part will come, temp next equal to null, then the loop pointer will be stopped, there is no execution. So after the loop there is another print statement. Okay, here the loop is ended. So after the loop is ended, again we are printing the information part of the temp, because when the null pointer will come, it will leave, it will not execute more. So after that also we have to display the information part of this. Okay, and this is only the declaration of structure using what pointer, only declaration of a link queue. Hope you have understood. Have a good day.